Welcome back, everybody, to another movie. Okay, last year I wanted to use Granny and the snowblower, but I broke the choke, so I couldn't. I put a new choke table on it this past year, a better one. We're going to try it out this year. I don't know what to expect. I don't know about these front tires. You see the front tires?
Want to have a snowball fight?
No. Compared to Grandpa's front tires. So I don't know how this is going to go. Because the snowblower is heavy. I don't even know how this snowblower is going to work. But we're going to try it. Sandra's going to do a little bit of filming. So this might be a little short movie because she don't like the cold. So she might go inside.
Hi from the north. Hi. It is, yeah, I can take this now.
Okay.
Put your gloves on if you want to get... Hello, good morning. From the north, here's what we're dealing with. This is what we know so far. Back to you later with more snow. I actually think I got some inside my boot. Woo! It's the house. It's where we live. Our dwelling. Whoops. Oh, that's... Come on, Ricky. Now this is my tractor, and I don't think Granny's ever snowblowed before. I don't think so. He's got the sheet aimed right at me. Of course he does. No. There we go. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, the snow's glistening. It's a beautiful sight. I'm happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Here we go. I'm about ready to shut this down because it is chilly out here. And you get the idea.
One bar more at the end of the part that I wasn't sure to go back to the third.
How do you like the song so far?
It's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. We had a breakdown on Granny. I burned the belt. I don't know how it burned up. I put it in gear and the belt flipped upside down and I couldn't save it fast enough, so I'll have to work on that. I think I've got an extra belt when I replaced the belt from Grandpa over there. I don't know if it'll fit, and I don't know how bad that belt is, but it was just for a backup belt. And Well, that's what it's going to be used for, if that's what it is a backup belt. But my final thoughts on the snowblower. Not too great, I don't think. It just doesn't seem like it just throws the snow like it should. But I don't know, you know, it was doing an okay job, but it, you know, you saw it. It just kind of like comes out of the chute and kind of just falls. It really doesn't throw it very far. So my thoughts on that, I would, you know, it's not great. So, but we got her back up here. So I had to air up Grandpa's tires, a front one and a back one. Had to tow it up here, tow Granny up here, and that's running like garbage. I don't know if you heard it, because I didn't film. Sandra filmed, so, but I don't know, it's like running way too rich, and I don't know why. Carburetor never gets touched, ever. It doesn't seem to go to full throttle. So I guess I will take that carburetor off and go through it. And then I'll work on this belt. Do you want to, you want a movie of replacing the belt, doing the carburetor on the Grandpa? Let me know if you want to see a movie of those. But I gotta stop this movie now because I've got 10 minutes left. And, well, since I got 10 minutes left, let me waste some more of your time. So, maybe the next time we do I snow some plow, maybe I will take Abigail out and see how she does. Unfortunately, I couldn't get Bigfoot. I got a fuel pump for it. I put it on. Ran fine. Runs fine. I went to move it, and it doesn't move. The snowblower doesn't move up and down. So I don't know what's wrong with that. It's full of fluid. But I have a suspicion, because I went through my book and I looked at a parts breakdown, and I'm thinking it might be a valve that operates both of them. That's underneath the tractor. So when I covered it up, I said I quit, or whatever. I just quit. So maybe in springtime I can work on, see if it's that valve, because I parked it there and it hasn't moved since for a few years, and now it won't move. So I'm thinking it might be a stuck valve. hydraulic valve or something. So you'll have to stay tuned to my movie channel to see if that's what it is. But anyway, let me know if you want to see a movie of these two. I probably will not do a movie on this one because this is Grandpa, the Mr. Reliable Winter Tractor. And then I will do this one. So, yeah. And I plan on doing that today, so I don't know if I'll film it or not. It depends on how long it takes me to do Grandpa. But you can see me struggle and curse and all that, trying to put a new belt on because I gotta go way up underneath here, way up underneath here. There's a guard under there. I'll probably have to take the tire off and all that. So I got room. Anyway, thanks for watching my movie. And we'll talk and see you soon. Okay, I go now. Buh.